In this video, I'm going to show you how you will now log into Wonders, the McGraw-Hill English Language Arts resource for elementary. And this is the same login process that both students and teachers will use. So in the past, teachers had to copy a code to set up Wonders in their course, and it was an LTI tool. And the way that students and teachers would access that was they load in the tool, and then teachers would click the resource and it would open it in another tab in another window. But now we have set it up to where it is a Google single sign-on link, which is the same as all other elementary curriculum resources. So the same as Go Math, Science, My World Social Studies, iExcel, and Typing Club. So it's all the same. The fast thing that you can do is go to the library and add this page into your It's Learning course, because all of your curriculum links are already loaded onto it. So all you have to do is just click and you are in the resource. And that's how you will actually access Wonders from now on. No more copying code. So you'll need to make sure that you're using Chrome web browser and that you are signed in, you can tell up here, into your BCSC Google account. When students go to access Wonders, they will also need to make sure they're signed into their account too, not a personal Google account. So once you add this page into your course, you click where it says Wonders, it will open up a new tab. And if it doesn't, you need to enable your pop-up blocker, so check my guide for that. And now you are into Wonders, so you should see your content. If you don't see your correct reading level here, your correct materials, we are still updating those daily, and they will be fixed soon before the start of school.